Hi, my name is Paul, and I would like to welcome you here into this space, to this channel. Following a series of spiritual experiences back in 2019, I have since been tuning into, receiving and sharing meditation messages in Christ consciousness, initially in small and private groups, but now, following a calling, making these available to a wider audience. So with that, I welcome you here to this channel, where we shall offer you a selection of these meditation messages, tools, practices that will assist you in awakening and nurturing your individual relationship with your divine nature, with Buddha nature, with Christ consciousness. The name is not important. In essence, we will assist you in awakening and nurturing your individual potential as a most magnificent child of divine creation. So if this is something that interests you, calls you perhaps, then please join us. Please participate in this adventure that we can undertake together. Thank you for being here, and I shall look forward to the adventures, the discoveries, and realizations that we can uncover here together. Until soon again, dear friends.